Installing Toyota wheel spacers is a great way to fix wrong offset rubbing problems. They are installed between the wheel hubs and the wheels, pushing the wheels and tires out a few millimeters. Because of the increasing inner wheel clearance, you are less limited to aftermarket brake and wheel options. These Toyota wheel spacers are helpful in preventing larger rims and wider tires from rubbing against the suspension component. There are performance benefits to upgrading with Toyota wheel spacers. By increasing the track width, they add more stability. In general, a wider track makes for a smoother ride. They also greatly improve stability and handling. Increased stability means better rollover resistance when driving in adverse conditions, which reduces risk. What's better? By spacing the wheels out from the suspension, the Toyota wheel spacers provide sporty and aggressive stance. Most people regret that their vehicles look better when the wheel gap is reduced. BONOSS Forge FT cooling Toyota wheel spacers are designed to perform well in heavy duty and any kind of 4x4 event. These wheel spacers have a high strain requirement. In addition, BONOSS FT cooling Toyota wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to improve brake cooling, distributed in a petal shape. These grooves allow the outside cold air to continuously float inside the wheel spacer as it rotates. The air removes the heat, thus achieving the purpose of aptly dissipating heat for the braking system. There are more notches that are distributed on the corner of the Toyota wheel spacers. These notches act as regulators which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect, and improving road safety. To ensure a strong wheel spacer hub connection, BONOSS Forge FT cooling Toyota wheel spacers feature ISO grade 12.9 wheel stud, as well as ISO grade 10 lug nuts. All BONOSS wheel spacer kits are delivered with authoritative SGS and TV certification report. In addition, BONOSS Forge FT cooling Toyota wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, giving customer peace of mind. Such BONOSS Forge FT cooling Toyota wheel spacers are surely a good option for your driving need. No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.